Altcoins are on the verge of a massive, explosive move. We've seen total 3 coiling up inside a symmetrical triangle that finally seems like it is breaking to the upside. We have huge gaps in volume to the upside and downside for our altcoins. Bitcoin is finally threatening a break of the range that we have been in for the past month. Bitcoin dominance is also trading within a massive symmetrical triangle, and this could be the perfect storm. We see so many major altcoins threatening breakouts from their ranges and technical price patterns, such as Solana, XRP, Avalanche, Hype, SUI, and so many more altcoins that are mirroring these kinds of patterns that could either be a really nice bottom for a big move up, or just another stop on a large continuation move to further downside levels. In this video, I'm going to break down everything that I think you should be watching to make sure that you are aware of when this next major trend confirms and how you can make sure that you are profiting from these major moves. What's up, guys? It's Jordan Crypt here from Coin Bureau Trading. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and make sure to watch until the end of the video to get all of the important information. You don't want to miss the altcoin analysis I'm going to show you, or you'll have FOMO after the big moves. If you want to trade along with us, use the Bybit link in the description. And for full learning tutorials on all of the indicators and patterns that we're going to be looking at today, check out the crypto trading tutorials playlist on my personal channel. That link is in the description. Firstly, having a look at a nice clean chart on the total 3 on the daily time frame. That is the total market cap of all altcoins excluding Ethereum. It's very easy to pick up on this symmetrical triangle pattern. We can see clear downward sloping resistance at the top and significant upward sloping support at the bottom. A pattern like this shows a big squeeze, and this often results in a big explosive move either to the upside or the downside. At present, it does look like altcoins are pushing out of this pattern to the upside. What we would want to see here is a clean break with nice volume, or a proper retest of this resistance flipped into support and then an aggressive move up. Because this triangle was entered from the top, it can be seen as a bear pennant pattern, which is known to fake out at the top and then break out to the downside. So beware of this possibility, and I'm going to give you the formula of different things to look out for to make sure you catch either the upside or the downside move here on alts. Something else to be aware of here on the total 3 and many of the altcoins right now is the possibility here of this range acting as a bear flag, similar to the bear flag we recently saw reach its target on Bitcoin. In this case, we would need to watch for a break of the bottom support of this channel and a retest there to the downside. This would be quite a bearish price target for altcoins and would give us a very nice short trend move that we could hop on multiple alts. Looking at the weekly timeframe SMC order blocks on this total 3, we can see the next major weekly order block above us and below us. If you need the teaching on these SMC order blocks, there is a tutorial under my playlist on this channel. Given the massive distance between these two major bullish and bearish order blocks, we can see that once the breakout of this price squeeze does find its direction, there is likely to be a major trend. We do see Bitcoin high up in the value area high of its current range, sitting within a high volume zone on this fixed range volume profile. And Bitcoin's next move, along with what happens to Bitcoin dominance, is going to be the important combination that's going to help us to make sure that we are riding the next major trend on the altcoins. Very important to use Market Cipher here for the next major long or short signal on Bitcoin. Watch the tutorials on this channel if you haven't watched them yet. I will drop the playlist in the description. This could either be a very juicy short and a rinse and repeat on Bitcoin back to the value area low, or a further push up from the bulls back up to much higher levels around 85k. Those of you who have watched my Bitcoin dominance cycle video, or those who are aware of how the relationship between Bitcoin and Bitcoin dominance affects moves on altcoins, will understand how crucial it is here to keep your eye on the Bitcoin trend as well as what's happening to Bitcoin dominance. But for those of you who aren't aware of how important this relationship is, let me quickly break it down. There are 2 major combinations that we need to keep our eye out here. Given that we may see a major move on altcoins either to the upside or the downside, we need to understand that when BTC dominance increases while Bitcoin is decreasing, this is when our alts will dump catastrophically. So if we see our Bitcoin dominance rising and Bitcoin gets rejected from this level, that's when we can hop on the trend on the breakdown of lots of the major alts from their current patterns. If our Bitcoin dominance decreases and Bitcoin does manage to break out of the current range and increase, this is when we will get a major upside move across the vast majority of altcoins. So looking at Bitcoin dominance now on the weekly time frame, there are a host of different scenarios that can play out, but there are two major scenarios that we need to watch out for in order to catch the next major alt move. Bitcoin dominance is currently pumping on the weekly time frame towards major resistance. There is a possibility of a rejection here back down to the support, and possibly even a loss of that support for a continuation move to the downside. If this happens while our Bitcoin price is going up, that's when we can hop on the long trend for the altcoins. On the other hand, we may see a breakout here of Bitcoin dominance to the upside. In this case, there is also a large gap until the next major resistance. And if we get this push up on Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin gets rejected back down to its value area low in the current range, that's when we'll be able to hop on the shorts for the altcoins. I know this is a bit confusing. I hope I've made it clear enough, as there is a very big opportunity here arising. Once this next major trend on altcoins kicks off, it will be a great trend to ride. Looking again at total 3 on the weekly, we can see Fibonacci is giving us some very interesting information. If we look at a retracement on the last major trend, total 3 is currently sitting within the golden pocket, with a nice wick that has already taken place around the middle of that golden pocket. This is another level of confluence that if we do leave this zone, we could see a nice push up to this bearish order block and potentially then even a move higher up to the Fibonacci extension levels. Something to also keep aware of here is that on such a large dump retracement, we can often see so much fear coming in that we do get a fake out below the golden pocket before that move up. And that does support the bearish scenario down to the bullish order block. So it really is a matter of having eagle eyes here on that relationship between what Bitcoin is doing and what Bitcoin dominance is doing to get early insights onto what this next move is going to be. Let's have a quick look at some of the altcoins that I'm eyeing for my next major trades once this trend does confirm. Starting with Solana, we can see a potential bottom out if we do break up out of this range to the upside, as well as a very large potential bear flag target if we do lose this current range. XRP also has a significant potential move up to the major resistance of its large downward sloping parallel channel, currently trying to break through the median line resistance of this much larger, highly significant parallel channel. If the major move on alts is to the downside and this triangle does act as a bear pennant, we can also see a nice potential move from this median line down to the bottom support line of this parallel channel. Cardano is also showing a nice potential price move up to the resistance of its upward sloping parallel channel and a potential breakout there up to the support and resistance flip around 33 cents. You can also see a major potential bear flag target here all the way down at 19 cents if things do go south for the altcoins. Please make sure you are using your market cipher in conjunction with your SMC order blocks to get the perfect sniper entries onto these moves once the trend does kick in. Keep your eyes on that Bitcoin dominance relationship in the next major move for Bitcoin, and if you see a major correlation in that combination, then try to find at least 3 to 5 levels of confluence on the alts that you decide to enter into on that trend, and please, as always, manage your risk properly.